Oh, hi everybody. This is Marshall's Studios Forever here. Marshall's Studios Forever is taping you from a live audience tonight. Tonight's video is going to be the story I was no longer having my 2000s Black Bissell 10 amp. I'll tell you the story, okay? For first of all, in 2019, I was on OfferUp.com. I found a vacuum cleaner on OfferUp.com, and for first of all, I really did found out, I really did found out, me and my dad really went vacuum cleaner hunting in the afternoons, and for first of all, oh my gosh, I went to OK Family Thrift Store. I didn't go to that one at the time. Also, I went to Bergen's Thrift Store. I was trying to find a vacuum cleaner as a Black Bissell 10 amp, and they didn't really have it at Bergen. I went to Best at Thrift. They didn't have any. And also, I went to Thrift Community. They didn't have any. Well, I used to own a JCPenney CamVac at the time, and for first of all, the vacuum cleaner I really did wanted to find is the Black Bissell 10 amp upright vacuum, and I really finally found the black one on OfferUp.com, and I paid about $30 to get it. And for first of all, I paid $30. I paid for that. For first of all, I bought a vacuum cleaner. I bought that Black Bissell 10 amp, and I bought some bags. It came with bags as well too, and I had to end up paying extra taxes to do that. And for first of all, also, I'll never forget that year in my times. And for first of all, in the year of 2021, I was vacuuming the kitchen one year. I was using the hose to vacuum the vacuum corners and all that stuff, and for first of all, I was vacuuming the kitchen, and I was getting through corners, getting through and all that stuff, and I actually vacuumed up the white stuff by mistake. I actually vacuum up acid. I vacuumed up acid dust. Guys, have you heard of acid dust before? Acid dust is that white stuff you put on the floor to kill all the bugs. And first of all, that stuff I was vacuuming up something by mistake, it caught the motor to be burnt up, it caught the belt to break off, it to be stretched out, and the belt kept stretching out all the times, and also the belt was keeping stretching out, and the machine was hardly used. It was been hardly used. And also a couple days later, I ended up refurbished it new, and I did clean it out, and I cleaned out the insides and I cleaned the outsides, and also I have to warn you about this. For first of all, I actually did vacuum up something by mistake, and for first of all, and I should not have done that before. And for first of all, that vacuum. Also, I did try to get to work. It was working fine, but a couple days later, the motor was burnt up, and the motor started to burn up. And it started to burn up very fried. It was fried up. And it started to... The platform on the plate part was started to melt, and the brush rolls were melting, and the bearings were shot in there, and the motor was shot inside of it. And it was burning so much, and oh my gosh, I really shouldn't do that. And I did fix it right, and first of all, the machine really has fallen apart, and it was done. It was complete done, and I ended up throwing it away. And for first of all, I ended up throwing away that vacuum. I was really sad about it, and I felt very sad about it. I threw away my Black Bissell 10 amp upright vacuum, and I used to have a dark blue one as well too. Oh my gosh, what have I done? Oh my gosh, I really... And I should keep that vacuum cleaner forever. I should have. And also, I was really sad, depressed about it. And for first of all, you guys, I will find these two older vintage Bissells, okay? I will find the Black Bissell 10 amp and the Black Bissell Microlock 7 stages wide track upright vacuum. I will find the dark blue Bissell 10 amp upright vacuum. I still really wanted to find the red Bissell Power Partner 800, the blue Bissell Power Partner 1000 with the 9 amp motor version with the 8 amp. And also, do you have any questions for me? Let me know on the comics if you're trying to get rid of your vacuums, or if you really don't use them a lot of times, any vintage ones you don't want to keep. Put it on the comics, okay? I am available every time, and I'm always been a yes person for my whole life. And I will say yes to everything is vintage, and And for first of all, I'm here to let you know, you guys, and there's a lot to say about everything. Also, I wanted to say to you guys, I love you. I love all of my fans. I love the fans. I love all of my people I grew up with, and my cameraman Lucito Romeros. For first of all, it took me so many decades to find a black Bissell microlock. And I'm here to let you know about that. And for first of all, and I will still keep an eye out on one, and I will keep my eyes out on the black Bissell microlock 7 stages. And I will keep my eyes out on the black Bissell 10 amp. It was made from cotton. And the Bissell Power Partner 8000, the red version, the red burgundy version. Also, I still need to find the purple Bissell microlock 7 stages. I still need to find a blue Bissell Power Partner 1000 and the green brand as well. For first of all, I'm here to let you know in advance about that, you guys, okay? It took me so many decades to find these machines. And it took me a decade to find a Singer vacuum. And I'm still looking for that one as well too, and I'm still doing my best I can. I'm doing everything. And I'm here to let you know in advance about everything, okay? And also, the other stuff, I really need to do more reviews on VCR tapes, movie reviews, vacuum cleaner reviews, I still need to do. And yes, I'm still doing regular vlogs, and also, you guys, I really wanted to make sure you click thumbs up and click subscribe, and click down below on the comments on my video, on every video I was doing, okay? I will see you in the next video. Peace out.